Hi, I am Ayana Kapoor and you are in Ayana's kitchen. Today I'll be making fresh pasta. Let's see all the ingredients we have. We have olive oil, we have chopped garlic, we have basil leaves, salt, oregano and cheese, fresh tomatoes and boiled pasta. Let's begin. I'm going to start with tomatoes. I'm going to puree them. Oh look, here are the fresh pure tomatoes. So let's begin. Now I'm going to put oil in the pan. Now some garlic. Now I'm going to add some basil leaves. Now it's time for some fresh tomatoes. Now I'm going to cook this for some time. Now it's time. I'm going to open the lid. This smells delicious. Now I'm going to add salt and oregano to it. Now we'll mix it. Now the final step. I'm going to add my pasta to it. Now I'm going to mix it again. This looks amazing. Now I'm going to sprinkle some cheese. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. I love cheese. And taste. It is delicious. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. This is Ayana Kapoor and you're in Ayana's kitchen.